everyone, welcome back to my channel. Recently I made a tutorial on fixing mouse and keyboard disconnectivity issue, but I realized I had some pronunciation issues, so I'm remaking this guide with more detail and extra steps to give you an almost 100% effective solution. This guide will cover troubleshooting both hardware and software issues, so let's get started. First, hardware issues. Number one, mouse wire. One of the most simplest issues could be the damage or frayed mouse wire. Check for visible damage along the wire. Try gently moving the wire while the mouse is connected to see if it causes disconnection. Number two, mouse plug-in. The USB connector might be loose or damaged. Try plugging your mouse into a different USB port to see if it resolves the issue. Ensure the USB connector is firmly inserted. Number 3, CPU USB port. Sometimes the USB port on your CPU could be the culprit. Test other USB devices in the same port to confirm if the port is functioning properly. If the port is faulty, use a different port or get the port repaired. Now let's talk about the software issues. Might be you are facing software issues if everything is working fine with your hardware. Now some mice come with their own software that need to be installed and updated. Visit the manufacturer website to download the latest software and drivers for your mouse. Right now I'm using Razer Viper Mini and I'm downloading the drivers for Razer Viper Mini. Even though it's working on the Windows default drivers, as you can see here, I have only the Windows built-in drivers. And then update drivers, browse my computer, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Currently I'm using the built-in drivers, but even though it's working fine while playing the games, but sometimes if you are facing an issue, you need to try out the official drivers for your specific mouse. Now let's install it first. It's almost done. Now it's installing. I'm pausing here my recording, so after finishing the installation I will start further. Alright, it's almost done. Launch Razer Snappy. Just click on next. Okay, now it's saying login. I guess okay, still I did not get drivers. Okay, it's almost automatically it's installed and activated my official mouse drivers, which is Razer Viper Mini. Now logging your account on Razer, it's not that important, as you can see. Now I have drivers without login, so just close it. But you can log in for further optimization related to your mouse, like sensitivity and sensor settings. So you can do that, but that's not our topic today. Now if still you are facing issues between these, as I said, you have now two drivers: the official drivers, update drivers, browse my computer, let me pick. Now you have two drivers, Razer Viper Mini and HID compliant mouse. So if you are facing issues, disconnectivity issue only with your mouse, then you can switch on Razer Viper Mini. And if you are facing on Razer Viper Mini, you can switch on compliant mouse, and if hopefully this will solve your issues. But still if you are facing, then the last but not least, that's my personal experience, use your keyboard in front panel or back panel, and just like opposite, if you are using your keyboard on back side, then use your mouse in the front panel, and if you are using your keyboard in the front panel, then use your mice in the back side. That will also helpful in some cases. Now if still you are facing BIOS and OS settings, some motherboards have BIOS feature that can affect mouse performance, like power saving mode. Disabling power saving mode in BIOS might help. And also other mouse port features like USB legacy support might interfere with mouse performance in games. So what you can do here, restart your computer and enter into the BIOS UEFI settings, usually by pressing F2 or del or delete button or ESC escape. during boot. Then you will be in the BIOS settings. After doing this, now you need to find the power saving settings or USB settings and disable any that might affect your mouse performance. And if you don't know the specific key, then what you can do here, next step here, click on the Windows icon and then go into the settings. Once you are here, simply you need to go into the update and security, and on the left side you will see here the recover option. Now you can simply restart your PC into the advanced startup. Once you click on this, your PC will be reboot, and a blue screen will be pop up. Just find the again restart option, restart into UEFI or firmware UEFI. Just go through that option and you will be in the BIOS settings. So go ahead and check the option power saving. If it's enabled, just disable it and then check it out. Also find out some USB settings, maybe there's something that affecting your mouse performance. Now operating system, if you recently, like if you have made changes to registry files, it can also affect your mouse functionality. Use system restore to revert to a previous state if you suspect registry changes are causing issues. Open power options from the control panel, or you can simply search here for power options, and on the left side you will see here the additional power settings. Just go into it. Now here right now I'm using AMD Ryzen high performance, but maybe you are not seeing this AMD Ryzen. If you're using any Intel, there's mostly two options, the balance and the high performance. Set it on high performance and restart your PC once. Hopefully this will solve your issue. The last one is most common issue. A lot of people don't know about this one, high priority settings. While playing the game, setting your game to high priority on a low-end PC might cause disconnectivity issue. Mostly I was facing this issue when I was using i5 3rd generation, and that time when I put my game on high priority, it caused disconnectivity. Like sometimes my mouse not working, sometimes my keyboard not working. So that's the reason. So what you can do here, in the low end PC use normal or above priority for game, above normal priority for game, and in the high end PC you can use high priority, should be fine. But if you are experiencing issues, try lowering it. Just right click on your task manager taskbar and then open the task manager. Now just pause. That's the game, right? It's not game, it's recorder, but just pause. And then what you need to do here, right click, go to the detail, and then again right click, and here you can see set priority. So set it on normal or above normal, which is highly recommended. If you have a good high-end PC, then you can set it on high, otherwise just leave it on normal or above normal. That's it for today's guide on troubleshooting mouse and keyboard disconnectivity issues, guys. I hope this detailed tutorial helped you resolve any problem you are experiencing related to your keyboard and mouse. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.